And we cut across to breaking news coming in. Abhishek Banerjee will be the General Secretary of TMC. This is the latest coming in from West Bengal. Abhishek Banerjee, who is the nephew of Mamata Banerjee and a very key member of the party. Now we hear that Abhishek Banerjee will be the General Secretary of TMC. We are yet to get more details from West Bengal on how this is being decided and what are the other specific details to it. But Abhishek Banerjee, who is the nephew of Mamata Banerjee, will be the General Secretary of TMC after TMC's historic win in the assembly elections where TMC crossed the 200 mark. And of course, now this is the decision being taken in the party that Abhishek Banerjee will be the General Secretary of TMC. There is a rejig in the party and Abhishek Banerjee has now been appointed as the TMC General Secretary. Vishakha is joining us live from the Bangla newsroom. Vishakha, what more are you picking up on this?
Actually, we can see that today Trinamool Congress had a core committee meeting, and in this meeting several things were about to be discussed. But the thing is, the most important factor that has been decided in this particular meeting, that is Abhishek Banerjee, who has been promoted to a better position in this party particularly. And when we know that Abhishek Bandyopadhyay was formerly the president of the youth wing of Trinamool Congress, All India Trinamool Congress, and now he is the General Secretary of All India Trinamool Congress, and that is what was a very good. I mean, it was a hunch from morning that he will be getting a very, very key position in the particular party in this Trinamool Congress. And when it has been decided that he will no longer will be the president of Trinamool Youth wing, and now he has been actually promoted to the post that belonged to Mukul Roy formerly, and now it has been decided that Abhishek Banerjee will be heading this party as the General Secretary of All India Trinamool Congress. And now the thing is that formerly his position would be taken up by Shayani Ghosh, who is a new MLA who won in election. And now Shayani Ghosh will be the president for the Trinamool Congress, All India Trinamool Congress Youth Wing. And this is a very key factor that all these factors were discussed in this core committee meeting where Mamata Banerjee, the Trinamool Congress Supremo, was present. In front of, in her presence, it was decided that Abhishek Banerjee will be the key person, as we know that he has been throughout the campaign of 2021 election. He was been as projected as a second in command for the party, and now he has got his position that we were hunching from the very morning when this core committee meet was about to get started. And now it has been decided that Abhishek Banerjee will be the All India General Secretary for Trinamool Congress.
All right, Vishakha, many thanks for those details.